Hi everyone, welcome to Cocktails and Dreams. I'm your host, ZACK PROHASKA. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys some craft flair techniques. I've been getting a lot of requests for people wanting to learn how to do some craft flair. So before I show you that though, I want to show you what I got in the mail today. This is the Clear Ice 40 from NewAir.com. So what it is, it's a countertop ice machine. It's small, it's portable, and it's great. I really like it. What you do is you just open up this little lid, you fill it up with water, and then there's just one button on the front. You push the power button and it makes ice. You get about 40 pounds of ice in a day and it starts making ice in 30 minutes. It's great. I use it here at my studio. I use it for my lessons, my videos. I absolutely love it. So if you have a studio or if you have a small bartending school and you need an ice machine, definitely check it out. I'll have more information in the description below, so check it out, okay guys? Also, before I show you these moves, check me out at CD Bartending on Instagram. I post 1-minute tutorials pretty much every day. So if there's something that you want to learn, let me know in the comments below and I'll make a video. Okay, craft flair. So if you're not familiar with craft flair, it came on the scene about 5 years ago or so. It's a very classy style of flair. It's quick, it's effective, and you'll see it a lot in cocktail bars. I'm a big fan of the style. I really like it. I like how quick it is and I love how flashy it is. So I've created 3 sequences for you guys. They're easy, they look great, and they'll definitely impress your guests. Okay, so our first sequence looks like this. All right, so here we go. We grab our cheater tin, we're placing it on top of our large tin, we're putting it in our left hand, and we're adding ice to our large tin. Then we're gonna place the cheater tin inside our scoop, and we're gonna snap our wrist and do a full rotation and nest the cheater tin inside the large tin. I'll show you again. So we're grabbing the cheater, placing it on top, adding ice, grabbing our cheater tin, doing a little rotation, adding it into the tin and placing it on top of the bar. Okay, and our second sequence looks like this. So all we're doing there, guys, is we're grabbing our large tin, we're putting it over our cheater tin, and we're scooping both of them in our hand. Now I want you to practice just shooting the tin up and back in, just like so, up and back in. Now what happens is when you're shooting it up, you have your ice, you're gonna go up, you're gonna place your ice inside, and the tin is gonna land on top of it. I'll show you again. So we're grabbing it, we're scooping, grabbing our ice, we're gonna go up, add, and landing that cheater tin inside our large tin. Okay, and our final sequence looks like this. So all I'm doing, guys, is my left hand, I'm grabbing my tin in a reverse grip, my right hand's in a standard grip, I'm rotating my wrist, I'm doing a swipe through with a half rotation, placing my cheater tin on top of the bar. I'm adding ice to my tin, and I'm going to do a 1 rotation catch, and when I do that, my right hand is going to do an inverted toss and land it inside. So we're going to go one at a time. 1, catch, up, in. 1, catch, up, in, and then you do it a little faster, and then place it to the top of the bar. So there you have it, guys, some simple craft flair that you can use behind the bar when you're making your cocktails, just so you can impress your guests, stand out, and hopefully it makes you some more money. All right, guys, have fun, practice hard, and keep flipping.